Do you want to learn how to use Adobe Firefly AI video generator? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So head over to firefly.adobe.com, and on here, we're going to look at the video section. Click on it, and then you're going to find these two options. The first one is text to video, in which you're going to give it a prompt, and it's going to generate a video out of it. And the second one is image to video. So in this, you need to give it an image, and then it's going to animate that image. So let's take a look at the text to video first. Let's click over here, and it's going to redirect us to this page. So on the left hand side, you're going to find general settings. This is the model, which is Firefly video, which is currently in beta. Now, under it, we've got aspect ratio. So you can change it from portrait, which is 9:16, to widescreen, which is 16:9. So we're going to select 16:9 for this one. The frames per second, this is 24 FPS. You cannot change it. This is by default. And under it, we've got camera. So how do you want the video to look like? Shot size. Is it long shot, medium shot, close-up shot, etc.? So we're going to make it medium shot for this one. Camera angle. For camera angle, let's say eye level shot. For motion, it can be these, so you can hover on it and see the example video that will play. Let's go for handheld. It would feel like we are holding a camera and recording. For advanced settings, this is, you can enter a seed. I'm not sure what it does, so I'm just going to ignore that for now. Now, on the right hand side, you've got frame. So if you already have an image, you can set the frame, enter the first frame here, and enter the second frame that way. So in the prompt section, we need to type a prompt. And if you're not sure what prompt you want to type in here, because they don't have a prompt generator currently. So to do this, let's go over to ChatGPT, and inside here, you can ask it for a random prompt, or if you have a specific video that you want to generate, you can ask it to generate the prompt for that. So for example, I'm just going to say, so here I said, write a text to video prompt for a random topic, keep it short. And it has given us this answer. We're going to take this prompt, copy it, go back to Adobe Firefly, and in the prompt section, we're going to paste it. This is generation history. We don't want to look at this at the moment. Let's click on generate. And it's going to start generating the video. Here, you can look at the progress bar, which is a circular progress bar. So once it gets completed, we'll be able to check out the video. So our video has been generated. Let's take a look at it. It's a 5-second version. And currently at the time of making this video, there's no way to increase the time of it. So it's just going to give you this, a 5 seconds version. And now if you want to download this to your computer, just click on this download button on the top, and it's going to get your video downloaded over to your computer. Now let's take a look at the second option, which is image to video. So for this, we need an AI image first. That we need to enter inside the first frame. And if you have the end frame, you can put that as well. In order to do this, let's go back and use their image generator, which is, let's switch to image and then go for a text to image. Go inside it. This is the gallery. So this is all the community generated images, text to image, and then click on generate on the top. And then you have to type a prompt inside this. So on the left hand side, we got the settings. So we're going to keep the model at Firefly image 3. We're going to keep it at fast mode, and aspect ratio, let's select 16:9. For content type, it could be auto. Let's keep it auto. Composition, I'm not going to mess around with this. Style, if you want, you can select a style here. And effects, let's make it digital art. And you can also check out the color, tone, lighting, camera angle, etc. So for this, we're going to go over here. We'll copy the same thing we did for text to video, the prompt, and paste it inside here. Now on the bottom right, you see here your prompt looks good to go ahead and generate, and then click on generate. And now our image has been generated. We got 4 options. You can take a look at it. I like this one, so I will download it from here. You can also upscale it. So let's click on upscale. And now let's check it out. This is an upscaled image, and I'm going to download it to my computer first. Now let's go back to video and image to video. Let's go inside it. And inside here, we're going to enter the first frame. And inside here, click on the first frame, this button, and input that image that we got from text to image section, or you can also drag and drop that image over here. And it's going to get inserted inside the first frame. Now, on the prompt, we're going to keep that same prompt that we used for text to video, and we're going to click on generate next. So our video has been generated. Let's take a look at it. And now again, you can download it by clicking on this button on the top. So that's it. This is how to use Adobe Firefly. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.